To get started with Starhive faster, you can use templates. In this video, you will learn how to use a template in your workspace. Start by clicking Templates and then selecting a category or choosing Browse All. Templates are great for when you don't have a specific data model in mind and want some inspiration, or you are tasked with creating a use case you are less familiar with. Clicking on a template lets you learn more about what the template includes. When you have selected one you want to use, you can click Use Template. You will see a breakdown of what will be added. Click again and the space is added with everything else. Now you can explore it and customize the template to your needs. In this task management template, we are tracking projects and tasks related to customers. The project task hierarchy and supporting data like customers, company products, and employees are here. One customization we should do is to swap this template employee object for our actual employee object, which can be found under the HR team space. We can start by deleting the existing reference and create a new one. Or we could update the original reference and swap which employee object it is pointing to. We might also want to track tasks related to things other than customers, or maybe we don't want projects, only tasks. From the Manage Space window, we can make any changes we need to the types and object attributes. After making edits, we should also rename the space to something sensible and give it a logical description. Then we can delete the dummy data and start adding our own data objects in. Templates are as simple as that. We are constantly adding new templates into our library. If there's one you would like to see, contact us via the Help button and let us know.